Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix screen flickering problem on Google Pixel 10 Pro. Let's begin. So, first, it really depends on how you prefer to call the screen flickering, because there are many issues that could be called like it, so I will try to resolve as many of them as possible. The first issue that I know is probably most common, that your screen is flashing whenever you receive a notification. Now this is not a bug, it's actually a feature that you might have enabled accidentally. In order to disable it, you want to go all the way down and into ability. Now you want to scroll down a little, and somewhere here we'll see flash notifications. I have no idea why it's under audio, but whatever, we can click it. As you can see, I can press preview, and there you go, our screen is flashed indeed. So if that's your issue, I would just advise you to disable the screen flash and no flashing can be seen. However, what if you are suffering from different screen flickering, flashing, whatever? Well, you can always go into device health and support. Now we can scroll down and go into touch diagnostics. It doesn't really matter which one you will choose. I will choose the very top one, and I will go test hardware. I know that this technically recalibrates the touch, but it also recalibrates the whole screen itself. So as you can see, technically our screen has now been restarted, not our phone, our screen, but of course if you want you can always reboot your device by expanding the control center and then restart. However, performing a diagnostic test should resolve issues. However, if you still have some other issues with your screen, you can always share them down in the comments below. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, watching.